Good morning, everybody. Afternoon and good evening, everybody. How are you doing?
Good morning, everyone, as well. And I've got a special guest, my son. He's just going to
Hi,
say morning.
Justin. Morning, Justin. Morning, Justin. How are you doing, Jerry?
I'm doing well. I think there's a lot to do still. I still need to pack,
Yes.
iron, get myself ready, making sure I got my passport.
Yeah.
And how about you? How are you doing?
Yep, doing good. Little busy, occupied in office, and today is the only day to do the packing for the knowledge as well. So definitely we will discuss this part, Jerry. Let's start with the tradition. Let's take 10-20 second pause, pray to God, and then we will kick off the session together.
Okay.
Okay, so Jerry, all set for knowledge?
I'm all set for knowledge, and also looking first time to be speaking at knowledge
Oh
as
my
well.
God. So how many sessions or what sessions do you have?
So originally it was two, and
Okay.
now it's four.
Oh my God. Come on. That's nice.
Which I'm
That's
excited about actually. So one of the sessions I'm doing is why do technical people need soft skills? That
okay.
was one session. Then there was another session. Basically said, oh, by popular demand, they've made it available. So me and Susan Britt will be doing two of those sessions on the
Nice.
Tuesday and Wednesday.
Okay.
And I'm also on a live panel for organising a ServiceNow developer meetup.
Okay.
And then I'm also joining Britakosh on a
Right.
platform and a round table.
Platform on a roundtable, right? I saw your post yesterday that yes, it is there. It is there. Wow, super excited. So I have only one session as of now, just to sit with the MVPs, and rest time I will be on the floor, on the booth as well for this particular part.
I will make sure I'll visit you and make sure that you're hydrated. So I bring, bring some snacks, some drinks. Yeah.
True, true. Yes. 100% agree. So we welcome Shivani and Mahesh in the session today. Thanks, guys, for joining this session today. So what we have bring today, Jerry? What you bring today for us?
So we're gonna bring a new. I've seen something new on the
Mhm.
ServiceNow community or the ServiceNow
Are you, are you
University.
talk, are you talking about my learning something changes or what else you're talking about?
So I'm talking about MyNow. I think that's was you demonstrated to me. There was like a MyNow,
Yes.
and then what I wanted to do was to show the community around what resources we have around the YouTube. So again, there's a lot of resources out
Mhm.
on the internet, but I want
Okay.
to show very specifically what's on the YouTube channels. So again, showcasing or sharing what my knowledge around what I've used,
Mhm.
and again, what's available for
Okay.
people to be able to learn more about ServiceNow.
That's nice. And just to let you know, everybody, that yes, 2 days before, ServiceNow has been rebranded ServiceNow University as well, where you can see your points, your vouchers, your journeys in the different color altogether. It's not just a blue and green; it is more than that as well now. So that is what we are going to be show, not today, but in some other dedicated session. Today, I'm going to be show you something on the My Now. Any wild guesses that what is mine now? Jerry, what do you think? What is mine now?
I want to guess it's my stuff, it's my profile, it's my learning, it's my support cases. Is that what it is?
Correct. So mine now is one single stop for any ServiceNow user who want to be see the status of his cases, learnings all together in one place and can manage the profile also from the one place. It means if you make a change in my now, it will going to be impact your my learning or the ServiceNow University. It's going to be impact your community as well and other things. The only point which is important here to be remembered to be understand is that my now is not available for everybody at point of time. It is like in a what I can say in a phase manner. It has been given to the different users. So shall I proceed and share my screen, Jerry?
Yeah, let me add your screen.
Yep, please. Thank you. Let me bring my screen here. Yes. Hope everybody able to see my screen.
I can confirm that your screen is.
Okay. So this is the link for mynow.servicenow.com. If you open this link and you are not the part or you did not join this particular link first time, it might add you in the waiting list. So believe me, after the wait of 2 months approximately, I got this opportunity that my name has been added in the actual user list. I'm able to access the My Now. So if you log in the My Now first time, the tour will be open in front of you and it will tell you that what's new here. So number one, it is a unified customer experience. So ServiceNow considered us as a customer now. So you can see what this here. You can set up your notifications like this, that I want this notification, I want that notification on this top. You can see the best practices, again, that how to find out the good things from this part. And finally, the unified profile means this is a single stop where you can update your profile, you can see your badges as well. Just to let you know that I am not using MyNow with my official ID, so it is not showing a lot of data here. But if you're using your official ID, then you can see a lot of data. Like you're able to see yesterday on the ServiceNow University as well, that there's a voucher, there's the points, everything is there. So if you want to go for the experience perspective, you can just click on the take a peek, and it will take you in the to like how the navigation work. So this is what find is here. Then act with the confidence, like these things you have to be work. And finally, the recommendations here. And now done. If you go to the notification, same thing, one liner only. Best practice, let's take a peek here. Yep. So it will take you the My Now best practice homepage. That what
Wow.
is good to develop for a project. So mainly these things, these content are coming from the Now Crate only. You can see here ITSM modernized. It is coming from the Now Crate success pack. So it will show you the best practice from the Now Crate. So this way you can carousel is there and you can use it easily. And it's saying browse best recommendations. We'll come back here again. Then if you go next, you can see again the featured product collection. Means if you want to see the set of products together like supply chain, FSO, automation, security. So you can see this part as well. And then finally, if I click next, then you can see the 12 success pack based on your in the room. Just give me 1 minute, Jerry.
Yeah, that's fine. I think what I was up to is just sorting something out. We'll just say morning, everyone. William, nice to see you in the chat. Great to see you. Star team, William Khan here. Great. And then also we've got morning, Ishan. Ishan, I think you put a question in here. So we're doing live stream. Yeah, we're doing live stream. We're well just before knowledge. So as we're gonna be flying out tomorrow. So I'm flying out about midday, and then the two's flying about I think just 2 hours after me. So we'll get there on Sunday afternoon time. 03YT. What is this? This is MyNow. So Atu will be he is just going to be talking us through in terms of MyNow. So it's like a one-stop shop for your own profile, and then also having your now learning. You've got your personal development instance on MyNow. So instead of you having to go to different places, whereas before you had to go to another page, it's just like a one-stop shop page where you've got everything all in one place. Good morning, Arun. How are you doing? Right.
Just give me 1 more minute, Jerry. I'm just shifting in the other room now. Sorry,
Oh,
I'm
that's all right. No, that's all right, dude. This is the logistics of doing live streaming, but Atu is actually on the move. He's actually whereas me, I'm at home, which is fine, but Atu is actually on the move. So we're having some, well, not challenges, but it's interesting challenges. So it's good. It's good. And what's this? Arum managed said new learning portal changes. So that's a ServiceNow University. Yes, we will. Me and Atu will be covering that possibly after knowledge when we get back. We'll have a dedicated session to cover that. I know it's recently changed on, I think I saw on May the 1st. So
Two
again, I
days
just
back.
want to take some time just to have a look at it myself before we kind of have a deep dive into that.
Okay.
Yep.
So
Oh,
very
okay. I
good.
think you ready?
Yep, I'm ready. So now you can see on this part, on the peak part, you can see the success pack, and then if you go and move to the next one, then you can see best practice located under the support. So if you click on the support, you can see the best practice here. And now I'm done on this part. And finally, if you want to be update your profile, you can come back here. Here, it will take you to the profile. Definitely, yes, it will take the auto login and it will take you the profile section here. And here you can update your profile. So you can put all your details here, your company, and also one more thing. This is what you can see. So introducing my unified profile, and then you can take a peek here. Next, we'll go these things in depth as well. And you can see the contact number and everything will be there. If you want to merge it, if you want to see your points, if you want to see your badges, everything will be there. So now what I will do now, Jerry, let me come back here and click on the My Now, and now let's take a tour for this one.
Actually, can
So
I just ask one question before you continue?
please.
Not everyone can get this now, can they?
Yes,
Because
no, not as of now. It is only for the pilot users, I can say, because I registered for this one approximately 2 months back, and now I got the access for this particular website or this particular portal. So it is in the waiting list. But if you can try, might be after 1 month or 2 months, it will be live for you, and then you can use it for the My Now.
thank you actually for answering that question, because I know
Mm,
when you showed it me, I went to it. I was like, okay, add myself to the wait list.
right.
But maybe what we can do is maybe we can just speak to someone that knowledge and find out in terms of maybe an update on when it would be available. So just to give
Yes.
give an update to the community,
Updated. Correct.
because it's great what we're seeing here too. It's really good. But what we don't want is people people don't have that access as well to
True.
experience it. So
True.
I think probably it's just to set some clear expectations really from that
Yeah.
perspective.
100% agree, Jerry. So this will be the home page for the My Now, that is My Now, My Home. And here, if you see few things, that these are the standard menu has been set up by ServiceNow. So you can see My Now here under this home page. You can see the products, feature products, AI products, platform products, demo libraries, like you want to be see about that, how the better experience, issue resolving. And if you want to go for the solution perspective, IT, CRM, financial security risk. So you can see all these things. Plus, if you want to see more products, you have to be click on this more products, and it will take you the ServiceNow site directly. It means here you can just see the glimpse. If you want to go more in the deep, then you have to be click on the My All products. Then go for the industry. Industry means if you're working for automotive, banking, consumer, and you want to be know more about that industry, so you can click on this. So like now profit, non-profit. Again, it taking back you on the ServiceNow site only. So you can see here, it is taking the ServiceNow site only. The only point of doing this session for and with the community is that because this is something new in the ServiceNow domain, and we want to be explore a little bit more that how this can be benefited. So this is clear now, Jerry, that instead of going to the multiple links, you can just open the My Now and you can reach or you can navigate to any other place. If you go to for the My Learning, see ServiceNow University. So if I click on this, it will take me to the ServiceNow University career journey, training, expert program. You can go to the community profile as well. And in the community as well, you can see product hubs, community events, community central, join the community, developer forums, developer resources. This is what we're going to be talking now specifically.
Yeah.
Events, if you want to see knowledge, world forum, webinars. Some people say that I want to know about the ServiceNow webinars, world forum. You can go and click on this and it will be open the link for you. And then you can join these things. If you are there, definitely you can join. So you can see that dates are already out. Nice. London is 15 October. Nice. There's no recession has been open for this World Forum. So nothing to be worried as of now. But yes, you can see these details here as well. Then the support is mainly the customer support, I can say, for your community and your now support. In the documentation, it can take you and you can see the family wise. Means if you want to know about the documentation of the Yokohama or Zenando, you can see the complete family here. So this is what the another benefit here. Plus, if you want to go for the support in the documentation, you want to go for the release note, you can go best practices, which we just saw now platform, employee center, telecommunication. Very few might be. This is becoming as per my experience, as per my usage, as per my skill set. That is, it's showing something like this. And here the MyNow. If you want to know more about MyNow, you can just click on learn more, and you can come back here. So this is what its service now giving to us. And then partners, if you want to find a partner, you become a partner, you want to looking for the partner awards, partner portal, you can go and check here as well. Again, no need to be go anywhere else, just the MyNow is there. And about the company, ServiceNow specifically, you're interested in the career in ServiceNow, you can go here, leadership, global culture, global impact. About the ServiceNow, you can go, and it is about knowledge. Definitely, it is very specific, very specific menu here. Might be after the knowledge, it will be out, or might be it has been updated for the next year as well. But as of now, you can see the knowledge part is there. What are your thoughts, Jerry, on this now?
I'm amazed actually, because many years I've been using the ServiceNow documentation, the websites. Yeah, trying to find, or I think I've got so many bookmarks on my browser, so many bookmarks. But yes. I think now I can just bookmark this page, and I can just go to, I suppose I can go to any of the pages from MyNow. And Jonathan, thank you for putting into the chat. You said, yeah, it's very cool. Yeah, exactly. Single pane of glass. And I think, ServiceNow talks a lot about having a single pane of glass, the one-stop shop. But exactly, so drink, what they say is drink your own champagne, right? So is a demonstration of that. So I mean, if I was to ask you, what do you think they're using? The employee center here or customer service management portal?
I think this is a combination of the two things, employee center plus the customer service portal. Because if you notice in the beginning, it's a unified customer experience. So we are not an employee, we are not the end users, we are the customer for the service now. And if you see on the high level, these are like a mega menus for the employee center, and you can go for the under this, you have go for the different categories as well. So it is combination of the both actually. So customer service management, CSM portal. Why? Because we are the customer. Employee center, because it is giving us some widgets as well. And now one thing, if you notice, if you have a PDI associated with this one, you can see here itself. See, no need to be go to the
too. Yeah, and
no need to be go to the developer site.
When you click manage instance, where does that take you?
It will take you to the developer site.
Oh, very good.
Definitely, yes. SSO is not working here. It should work, but it will take you the same link here. And then you can again explore the things which we already done in the previous. So now it's taking the SSO as well. So now you can see.
Oh, that's perfect. One of the gripes I've got is like I have to log in here, I have to log in again.
Yes. So it means I think the MyNow will improve the bookmarks problem, like Jerry you say. Second, MyNow will remove the multiple logins problem as well. Like for every site you have to be logged in. So it is completely SSO enabled. The only recommendation what I can say from my side is that use only one ID which linked with everywhere, so that, and one browser only, so that when you log in, it automatically log in with the SSO for you. And this is what I was amazed to see that, wow, I can see my instance here as well. And again, it's showing me the current version as well, that on which version I am.
Do you know what's really good? Where it says latest release, because sometimes I don't know when my PDI needs an update until I have to go into. I think if you go into your ServiceNow Developer PDI,
Yep.
the way that I have to, the way I know
There's
when
no
there's
way.
an upgrade is, I think if you click on to
This
upgrade
one.
instance at the very
Yes,
bottom,
yes.
and then it will tell you if it tells you your current version, which is patch 2, and you're on, and there is
Right.
patch 3. That's so you
Let
can
me
upgrade. So
let me do patch 3 now. Thanks, Jenny.
yes, why would just to be
Okay.
reminded it.
So now this is the one part. Second part, on the same screen, you can see the search. And search again has been optimized. Let's say I want to be search for the change management. And if I enter it, I can see the multiple areas of the change management. It means you can filter with the source. You want to see in the best practice, you want to go in the now support, product, developer portal, now community, ServiceNow University, and the ServiceNow.com itself. And if I say, okay, I want to go for the product developer portal, and in the developer portal, and if you notice that, see, it just changes here only. It did not reload the page. And one more thing, it is coming from the now assist. And then you can take up or bad feedback. And if you want to put the filter, I want to go for the, not sure that why it's not showing this one for the Yokohama, let's say Vancouver. See, now assist has been gone now, and it is just showing to me this thing. Because we have a specific source, it's showing only that one. So if I change the source to, let's say, uh, product documentation, and remove this thing, so now you can see product docs. And now if I change and put it Zenando, so we can filter. Also, if you can see the filter here, all filters here as well, you can do the filtration. So multiple option to the filtration as well, if you want to go one by one. So this is something I can say in the Excel sheet when you do the filtering on the cell basis. So like this you can do, but if you want to go for the multiple, you can go like this. Let's
That's
make
really
clear.
useful. Yeah, that's useful.
And one more thing which is good to see, Jerry, let me clear all the filters. And if you come back here, you can further filter out as well. So if you click on this, you can see success pack. Success pack is referred to the now create. So I want to be see success pack only and have to be apply.
Oh, that is so useful. The reason why I say that because I have to use now create, and then sometimes I forget
Yes.
I need to use it, and then I have to log in and I have to use my bookmarks again.
Bookmarks, right?
Yes.
And let's say if I'm here, I'm going in the now community where you want to be searched under QA article or the blogs. Again, beautiful part means even though no need to be go to the dedicated portal as well, you can just sit there, search it, and then you can move forward. So now if I click on this, see achievement, I was looking for this one, now support, knowledge articles, best practices, developer site. See, blogs, shared articles,
Wow.
API. My God, too much. And another point is that, let's say if I'm coming here, can I click on this? Let me search again. Yep. And now you can click on this. It will directly take you the same link. No need to be go to the docs and then search from here and then go to the docs.
User experience too. That's what I'm
Exactly.
seeing. Yeah.
Also, if you notice, even though this is a global search, but this is the power of the prompt writing. If you write the beautiful prompt, you will get the results immediately. How to configure cab meetings. See, view all search how to configure cab meetings. I'm directly going product docs, docs, again docs, and you can see more results as well here.
Perfect.
Everything is coming from the docs only almost. And you can see how many results are coming here. See. And every time ServiceNow say, if you like it, give a thumbs up. And this is what we have to be do. And every time, if you like it or don't like it, please point these things. That is important here.
Yeah.
Now this is what about the searching part. Let me come back here. My now home. Now this is, say, the smart act. When you log in your MyNow first time, or if you have something, you can see the actions which is assigned to you. So to do is coming from the employee center, not from the not from, I can say, the customer service portal. So this is to do is from the employee center, and you can see this is pending for me. I can click on the complete now, and it will take you me the profile, and here I can do my work. I will come back here, but let's do it. Let's say I'm not interested to be see this thing. Right click, dismiss. And when you dismiss it, it will be showing in the dismiss section. No, I want to do it again. Move to active.
Perfect. Wow.
The only thing is that might be it can be some kind of a recommendation. If someone is watching from the service now, can we add our own to-do list as well? Might be I have to do little bit more work on the service now portal. Might be some text box, a checklist kind of things. If it's there, that will be more good, so that I can put my own to-do list as well on the my now that I have to be do. Might be downloading the documentation or merging the accounts or checking the voucher status, something like that. I can see here. Also, you can see your my cases as well. Definitely you cannot see anything here because this is not my official ID, this is my community ID. So from the community I did not raise any case. But if you're using my now from your official ID, then you can see all the cases logged by you in the same pattern, in same place. It means your now support and your my learning cases will become here, single stop place. You're not smiling,
That's
Jerry.
my favorite one. That's my
Yes,
favorite one because, like I said, as a customer service now, I'm having
correct.
to maintain and manage my changes, raise my support cases, and then having one place to go to and find out your updates.
Correct.
Perfect.
Correct. And also you can see the status of your all learning courses here. Only in progress. Because again, I say that this is my personal email ID, so you'll not find anything here. But if it's your official ID, you can see all the now learning cases. Sorry, now learning courses here, which is in progress for you at point of time. You can see in the my now, you can see that, oh, this is course pending for me. Let me go and do this work. And you can do it. And on the right side, we have some widgets. This is what we discussed. And there's a few recommendations generated by the Now Assist. Learning about Yokohama, might be this is something fixed as of now, but it can be changed as soon as you start using the My Now and other profiles or other navigation part here. So this is what is there. The one thing which I like here, easy, simple, and clear homepage. Not much excessive filled with the multiple stuff, and no advertisements on this particular page. You did not see anything like knowledge or something like this here. Happy, Jerry?
I've been looking at. Yes, I'm happy. Yeah, definitely happy. But what I'm also wanting to find out is if I want to offer feedback, maybe something that again you mentioned
Yes.
around. Could I add my to do? Do you think
Um,
there's an option there to add feedback or not, or is that something we need to feedback?
there actually the email which I received, it said that you can provide the feedback, but unfortunately I did not see any button for the feedback. So it says here you can find the feedback, but not sure that it has been hidden for me or why it's not available for me. But otherwise, what you can do, you can go and click here. Sorry, not here. In the support, I guess you can raise it, or might be when you are doing, you can use these options, plus or minus options, and you can tell that it is working fine for you, not. That's the only way. Also, this is available in the multiple languages as well. So you can see here.
Yes. Wow.
Again, same pattern which we have in the now learning or the community as well, same pattern here. You can see a notification under these sections. And again, you can see your to-do list here as well. and it is only for 30 days.
Mm-hmm.
You can see for my work and my company, because there are some users who are be like learning and development manager as well, so they want to be see that how their company things are going on, so they can see it here. So read and read both messages, you can filter out here. And if you want to go, you can click on the view to do same place, you will be coming back here. But yes, easy, simple, no humpy dumpy, no flashy or not too much busy page. Easy and simple page is here now. And now I'm going to the my profile. So you can see this is what is my profile and the settings here. The only thing which is important to be understand here is that if you make any change in my now, it will immediately change in your every other portal as well. So please be careful that what you're changing here, it will be getting impacted immediately everywhere. So you can see this is what is my profile, what I mentioned here, and let's say what it say. Choose one of your earned badges. So if you want to show your badges here, that what you have done might be MVP, might be knowledge, might be this. So I can put like this and click on the save. Just to be enhance your profile, you can do this particular part. And then because this is my personal ID. Otherwise, if it's my official ID, I can see my my ServiceNow University points here as well, which has been launched yesterday by ServiceNow. So you can see the points here as well. And if you want to see the breakdown, click on the breakdown. That what I have done till now and how these points are getting collected here. So I can do this particular part here, and you can see here community.
Perfect. Wow.
And this is again something new has been launched by ServiceNow to make the users more on the champion ranking level. So here I am newbie, but if I log in with my official ID, I am in the champion rank champion level 2, I guess. And I can see all my badges here. It's showing less, even though it should show more, but it's showing less. And here you can go and see these things. Your ServiceNow ID and contacts, you can put it, and you can merge as well. Merge old ID, update ID. So if you're moving the company and joining other company, you can do these options here itself, and your location.
Can you just go back to that? I just saw something like merge ID,
Yes.
merge old ID. Wow.
Yes. So if you are changing your company and you want to be go for the new one, then you can click on the merge old ID.
Oh my, sorry. Yeah, that is that is really really good.
Yes.
'Cause the amount of times that when you move in organizations, you have to contact support.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yes.
no,
In
it's
that
a
case,
really
you
really
can
good
use.
feature. Yeah.
Yep. And rest you can see your feature skilled if you want to show, because as I say that I'm not using my official ID, so I cannot show something here, but I can see my feature skill that I'm a business process consultant, business analyst, change management, all these things are my skills, and I can put my credentials as well. Credential means your certifications, you can put it here. So
Very
this is the one place which if you want you can share this with your teammate as well, and he can see that what you hold in the ServiceNow ecosystem,
cool.
and then your preferences as well.
Well, too, before you move on, we have
Sure.
a question from Mahesh is asking what is the keys in the points section? Do we know what that is, or is that something else?
Which one? This feature skill, right?
Yes, I think there's some
Okay.
keys you mentioned. Yeah.
Okay, feature skill. Basically, feature skills are something which depict that what expertise you have in ServiceNow. So, like, I'm a business process consultant. That is a skill for me. I'm a ITSM certified, or I'm a business analyst. I'm a change management or the change automation owner. So those things you can put it here. The thing is that you have to be link this with your ServiceNow University only. So it will pick up your things from the ServiceNow University and will show you here. But we can display only up to the 10 skills. So it is something that if someone want
Oh,
to be
sorry, Atu, just to stop you. I think Mahesh says if you click, I think on the right hand side where you've got the 710 points, click on
okay,
view breakdown. I
okay,
think there was something that showed keys. There is 710 points and 0 keys. I'm not sure
Yeah,
about that.
not sure. This is what I'm thinking because this is my ServiceNow community profile as well. It showed something here. Might be we can explore it a little bit more. Let me say click here. What it's saying. What I have to be click. ServiceNow University sessions. Because guys, we all are again exploring this part, so it may take time for us to be come back here. But something is missing here. Might not show that what is this key means and total activity means, or might be my details are getting updated. So in the sometime it will get populated here as well.
Mm.
So
Yeah,
we have
thank
to
you for
wait.
the question.
Yeah, we have to wait. Might be this thing we can ask in the
Yeah.
knowledge as well that what is this
Mm,
community keys means here. And we definitely if required we can go for the another dedicated session for the mind now to be explore a little bit more on that particular part.
perfect.
Okay.
Thank you for the question, Mahesh.
Yep, definitely it's a good one. So now I can see my batches here, I can see my points here, I can see everything, and then show me around. Let's see what is this. You can just go to the tour. So you can explore my own, it will be out. If you click on the peak, it will take you the one by one sections like this, what we have done already. So this is what is coming in the profile here. Also, now if I go back here and click on this, I can see the same thing which I was able to see on the top as well. So if you click on this servicenow.com, it will take you the ServiceNow site. So if you want to go to the ServiceNow site, click on that. If you want to be go to the My Now, then you have to be come back here. Something which is missing is that it should have something like My Now as well, because otherwise I have to be go here, click here, and then click on
Mm,
the home. Multiple navigations are there. So like in the community, if you see here, we have this thing. Something similar should be My Now as well there.
that's
And
good
then
feedback. Good feedback
yes,
too. That we can refer the product teams to have a look at this as well.
yep. And also one thing which I noticed, if I increase the size of my browser, let's say 90 and 100, I'm not able to see these things. Menus are not coming.
Ah,
Menus are coming here only. So this is
yeah.
again a feedback which I want to be give, but I did not get any feedback button. So
Hmm.
I have to be less than this thing because might be smaller screen as well. It's a 13-inch screen, so that is the reason one thing. But if I go beyond 100, definitely it's not showing to me. So you can see.
We can feed it back to the accessibility team, especially
Yes,
of the accessibility pack as well.
correct, correct. And also, I did not find anything related to the accessibility as well here. Means something specific that you want to be increase the font or something here.
Hmm.
Might be additions are coming on that way. So that's what it's showing to me here. And also, you can minimize this and all these things. You can do it your side. What do you think, Jerry and everybody now?
Well, thank you so much for sharing that to us, because I think I'm still on the waiting list, so I can't, for the first time seeing all of this. I suppose actually, would you be able to post this into the comments of the URL? So I think when you
Yes.
do access and log in, you can add
Yes.
yourself to the waiting list. So again, depending on the time scales, I think as long as you add yourself to the waiting list, you might be able
Right.
to be able to access it sooner than later, right?
Yep. I put in the chat window, Jerry. So if anybody want, they can pick up from this one. But definitely, if you log in, it might be going the waiting list immediately. But don't worry, it's in the phase wise. So ServiceNow is rolling out for all the users, and you will get it very quickly. Don't worry on that part.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Atu, for showcasing that. And I'm looking
No
forward to
problem.
when I'm off the waiting list and I'm in and
Yes.
explore a bit more in detail.
Over to you now, Jerry. Okay, so Jerry, now it's my homework has been done. It's your class test. it's time to.
I
It's time.
didn't know there was homework. Oh, I'm in the naughty class.
Okay, now
but
before.
yeah, let me take yours. Yeah, I'll add mine.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
suppose then, yeah, I think just to give a bit of context around what I want to show is more around the YouTube. So as we know, within the ServiceNow community, you've got the service community, the website, you've got the product documentation, There's so much information on here, but
Yeah,
also another
but
untapped resource.
but before that, Jerry, wait. Let's
Okay.
put a question to the audience,
Yeah.
because we are both are talking. Let's have some interaction now. How many YouTube channel ServiceNow hold? Either it's a community or it's something like ServiceNow itself. Any wild guesses? I start with the five. Anybody who support me? What do you think? How many channels ServiceNow hold on the YouTube? Mahesh says 10. Nice. Anybody else? Anyone supporting Mahesh or to me?
10. I feel that's a lot, actually. What's this? Are we saying official ServiceNow
Yes,
YouTube?
official ServiceNow YouTube channels, right?
Okay. Okay.
What do you think, Jerry? How many?
My initial thoughts were like 5.
Five. Okay, you're my best friend. Okay, anybody else? Might be we have William, we have Philip, we have Jonathan, we have Ishan all drop off. Arun 03YT, we have a Shivani. Anybody, any wild guesses that how many YouTube channels service now hold officially? So now we are going to be explore these YouTube channels which hold by ServiceNow, and that is official one. But just to be update, those are not five or not a 10, a very limited one. Jerry, how much the right? What is the right answer here?
It's 2.
Two.
That's what
Come on.
I thought. So ServiceNow community and also ServiceNow dev program, unless I've missed one off. Unless
ServiceNow
you,
it's
you
might be ServiceNow itself has a one channel. I think three should be three to four. I know. Okay, let's explore then Jerry together.
Okay, give me. Yep. Let me. What I'll do. Let me just share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
So you're right.
Yes.
I just did a quick search. Initially, I thought it was 2. So homework not done.
No
So
problem.
yeah.
I know you're busy now, so don't worry.
So we've got I think the first YouTube channel that we got officially from ServiceNow is the ServiceNow community
Right,
channel, which now see you got all the videos that we can see on screen.
right.
We
So
also have,
mhm.
yep, go on.
Good. So what content it take basically is, because sometime I got confused that if I want to be see some specific content, where should I go? Should I go to ServiceNow community or some other channel? So any idea that what it's contain or what it hold?
So I suppose I think one of the good things with ServiceNow, because you've got a description for each of the channels. So with the ServiceNow community is, yeah, come here, come explore deep dives. We've got technical detail demonstrates within ServiceNow experts, and also engage, learn, and share knowledge on the Now community. So my understanding here is if you've got any kind of webinars that you've
Mhm.
attended, whether it's Ask the Experts, whether I get some of the showcasing of the new capability, it will land here. It will land in the ServiceNow community.
Okay. So means all the technical discussions we can see here itself, right?
Yes. And because then you've got a different what I have explored here, because obviously when you can click on showing all the videos, a list of
Mhm.
all the videos that is available on the ServiceNow community, which then also you can see the latest. You can then have a look at the popular ones again. So how many views? So we can see, the CSTM is a very popular topic.
Right.
But
Right.
also you can then see in terms of the oldest. So it's the oldest video here is going back to 6 years ago.
Mm, right. So if I want to be know about any specific topic technically, I should go to ServiceNow community.
Yes.
Can you click on the playlist? Let's see what playlist it contains.
Yep. Let's look at the playlist.
Oh, too much.
So what do we have? So we've got Minute Monday for partners. We've got Ask a Ranger, that's specific to Microsoft 365 guided setup. You mentioned industries. We've got retail industry
Right.
here. ServiceNow platform owners.
Yes.
Wow, there is That is a lot. There is a lot there in terms of untapped resource,
Yep. You
resources.
you can see my session as well. Community Ask the Expert.
Which one's yours? Atu, have a look.
Just wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fourth middle one. Yep,
This one
this is
here. Let me see.
yes. Ask the
Yes,
Expert.
yeah. Updated 3 days ago. So yeah.
Yes.
So you can click on view full playlist. So if I just do that now.
Right.
Yeah, there you go. There's a few some of our peers that we know of within the
Yes.
MVP and Rising Star community.
Right.
Perfect.
That's nice.
And then also one of the things I noticed, so we talk about the playlist, but also you
Mhm.
can also sort it out by the last video added. So
Right.
if once I think because there's such a long list of the playlist, you kind of think,
I
well,
agree.
what's the last video added? So you can then see, well, this now intelligence or performance analytics was updated today. So again, you can go
Mhm.
into that playlist, for example,
Right.
like
And
the now
see what.
intelligence. Yeah. So again, if I scroll right to the bottom, let me just double check. 5
Okay.
hours ago. There you go. It's right at the bottom. 5 hours ago.
Bottom right. Yeah. Good. So all technical content will be available here, right, Jerry?
Correct. Yes, I think that's what I'm alluding to.
Okay.
And
So this is the first YouTube channel, right? What is the second one? Oh,
what I
this is
want to just show before I move on to the other channels, just so we can just have a look because there are shorts.
okay.
So again, if you're familiar with YouTube Shorts, there are some videos again
Okay.
right
Might
here.
be small one, but yes, it has some shorts as well. Even I can see the post as well. It is there.
And then also there are live. So
Yes.
again, if there are any live sessions, so give an example, if you don't upload a video, so if let's say
Mhm.
we do a live session now, that will
Yes.
appear in the live and not appear in
Yes.
videos.
Videos, right?
So the only way that it appears in the video is if you download the video and then upload it onto YouTube, which then will appear.
Right.
So
Correct.
I wanted to mention that because sometimes a lot of people will just go to videos to
Videos,
try
not
and
the live.
find it and
Yes.
not the live one. So
Yes.
again, just to make sure that you're not missing any
Any
resources
content.
on that aspect. And then I
Agree.
think the last one, not the last one, we've got podcasts. So there are
Yes.
podcasts on it, which it was updated 2 days ago. So let me just,
It's a
which is
maybe
break
it's a
point.
break point, right?
Yep, that's enough. Yeah. So again, if you want to keep up to date with Lauren on Breakpoint, you can come into here
Right.
as well. And then you've got posts. So again, any particular posts that ServiceNow community are posting. I think the last one we saw was 3 months ago.
Yep.
Yeah, cool. So,
Nice.
I just want to
Interesting.
run that, and then I think you've also got a search on here. So if I want to search for two, that's an example. Let's see if it works.
Yes, you can search.
There
See.
you go. So right, if you guys want to search for two on a ServiceNow community, there you go. There's all the videos that a two has been on.
Right.
Okay.
Nice. Good to know.
Yep.
Something interesting.
So I'll move on to the second channel, which is the ServiceNow Dev Program. So again, let's have a look
Okay.
at the description of this. Channels support the ServiceNow Developer Program, developer.servicenow.com. So that's I would probably say that's the advocate, the ServiceNow
Yes.
advocate
Dev
developers,
advocates. Right.
Earl, Lauren,
It's Lauren, Pranav,
uh,
Christy,
yep.
Travis, Ellen, and Earl.
Oh yes, thank you for remembering me. That's a lot
No
of names
problem.
to remember. I'm not very good at remembering names at the moment because great. Yeah, so again, yeah, very much of videos. We've got create a toolbox, we've got the live coding happy hour playlist.
Yes.
Did you know breakpoints?
Yeah. So mainly this is the only site which taken care or be used only and only by the dev advocates. Nothing on the community perspective you can see here. So anything which is only arranged by, organized by the dev advocates, you can come and see here itself. Does ServiceNow developer program also belong to SN? Yes, Mahesh, that's correct. That's 100% correct. So Jerry, any playlist can you open here?
I'm just gonna I'm just gonna just drop off quickly, if that's okay. I just need to just check on something. And
No
then I'll be
problem.
back. Okay, one moment.
No problem, Jerry. No problem. That's totally fine. So, Mahesh, I'm not sure that what's exactly question you have, but yes, does ServiceNow developer program also belong to SN? Yes, it is 100% run by ServiceNow only and managed and executed by ServiceNow only in this particular part. If you want to be know that, you can go to the developers.servicenow.com. That is a place where you can see this thing, developer programs. Okay, so you can see all the contents, all the courses in the developer site as well. Because if you remember that 2 weeks or 3 weeks back, we have a dedicated session on the developer site as well, where we shown that what are the components available in the developer site. Welcome back, Jerry.
Thank you. Apologies. My
That's
son.
fine.
Yeah, just looking after my son. Right. So I suppose thank you for filling in on that for me too. And yeah, I mean, again, you can see all the different channels. I think the shorts that we can see on the list. If you want to do any learning, so again, if you specifically want to learn about JavaScript, EMCA scripts,
Yes.
integrations, yeah, I think for me, if people are asking, like, I want to learn more about ServiceNow, again, there is a resource here that you can navigate
True.
to as well.
Agree.
And what I did notice as well too is featured channels down below. So we mentioned that we've covered the ServiceNow community,
Right. ServiceNow itself and
and then
ServiceNow
there is
document.
also the ServiceNow documentation.
We have
So
four now,
yeah,
4 channels. So I
so
need one more channel to make it equal to my assumption that it's a 5. Yes.
okay, so let's move on. Let's move on to the next one, which is ServiceNow. And let me just open that in a new tab so we can cover that as well.
Yes.
So let's have a look at the ServiceNow one. Which
Yep.
again gives me a description. Oh, sorry, address is playing.
Yep.
So I suppose this is probably from the actual main website. I think it's the main
Right.
ServiceNow.com website where all the videos that are placed it lives on YouTube. So I'm just gonna have a look at the videos. Yeah, we've got Put AI to work with Idris Elba. We've got videos
Yes.
around knowledge, and we've also got that's interesting, customer stories.
Right.
I think this is quite powerful actually, because if you're wanting to know in each industry and how they've used ServiceNow,
Then that is
you
the
can
place.
you can actually see what they've done with that. So again, some clear examples. What are the possible people have done? That's really, really good. Obviously about the platform. Yep. So platform releases. So again, your Hammer release. We've got the purpose, so you can learn more about ServiceNow as a brand. How people work at ServiceNow, so life at ServiceNow.
Yes. Different comments coming from the different people as well.
Yeah. Okay, so that covers the ServiceNow one. ServiceNow documentation.
This is something new for both of us.
Exactly. I suppose it's new for everyone. I mean, unless someone in the chat knows about this, please let us know.
Yes. It is out of syllabus, and we also got clean bold. Okay, so what did it bring for us?
So this is an official video destination for the ServiceNow product documentation. Okay. So I'm guessing then, I'm just assuming here that the ServiceNow documentation or product documentation that we see on the on the ServiceNow website, any of the videos that are posted on that documentation would also be
Available here as well.
Yeah.
Correct.
And that's really good, because if I go to the playlist, I can see all the things here that, again, Workflow Studio. I want to know a bit more about Service Operational Workspace. What else is there? Yep. I want to learn a bit more about Now Support. Wow.
So it means it has been embedded in the ServiceNow documentation website with this YouTube link, right? So if you click there, it will be running from here
So
itself.
this is where I'm probably not clear on. I think the product documentation has
Mhm.
an embedded video, but it's
Correct.
not linked to YouTube. It's probably linked to their own stored on the product documentation within
Repositories, right?
ServiceNow. Yeah. Whereas YouTube has they've got a playlist for all the different
Hmm.
capabilities as well. So yeah, things like, I mean, again, it spans back to Utah release as well. So if you
Yes.
ever want to learn about Utah release, you can go back here or San Diego. Um, but yeah, no, this is pretty useful, really
Yep.
useful. And I
No,
don't know whether
it's
they've done live. No live videos.
no live in this. I guess there's a no live in this, or might be in the ServiceNow website itself, but on the dev and committee, there's a multiple live sessions are there.
Yeah. And I notice here as well, there is a ServiceNow Now Insights podcast. I did not know
Hmm.
about this. So again, just
We don't know many things about Jerry. We did not work. We did not do the homework good this time.
we didn't, but this is good.
Yes.
This is good to explore it at the
Yes.
same time.
Yes. Agree on this particular part. And this is what it said, that because we assume that there are only one or two portal or one or two resources which we can explore, but these dedicated sessions are actually going in the deep dive and giving multiple resources and open the multiple paths for us so that we can search at the multiple locations.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna put the URLs in the chat. So
Thank you.
if anyone wants to bookmark these and have a look at it
Yes.
later on, then you've got that available there as well. So you don't do what I have done and not do my homework and do
No
explore. But it's good. It's all good.
problem.
Right.
Sometime coming without homework is also good, so that we can explore more.
Right. So I will remove my screen. But again, I think we're close to time actually now too, because I think
Yes.
time has just flew past actually for us. And if anyone's got any questions for Atu and myself, or yeah, any feedback for us as well, let us know. And I know Atu, we're going to be coming back after knowledge. We're planning some
Yes.
sessions. Probably going to explore deep diving to ServiceNow University.
That is our next target.
And probably provide an update on knowledge as well.
True.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
but
we'll,
it
we'll
but
have a look at that.
it's time to take a little break now. So might be for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'll be take a break and then we'll back again with more power.
Yes, because you have been very busy too. So you please
Yes.
take a well-deserved break and then come back
Yes.
refreshed.
Yes. It's multiple travels, multiple things are there. So need a break now. That's the thing.
Okay. Well,
Okay. So
to finish off, is there anything more that you want to, what are the key points? Anything you want to cover off?
key points, I will say only few things. Number one, that these sessions are not only with the limited information, it is just giving a broader view that what available on the ServiceNow community or the portal. And I request everyone who is watching the sessions now or might be later on, please share your thoughts, share your things in the comment section, that what something learn you something new you have learned, or something which we might be speak wrong or we have no information and you want us to explore those sessions or those areas. We can happy to do this particular part as well, and rest all good.
No, and I just want to, thank you Ati for that. I also want to expand on that. Me and Ati have come together really kind of just to share our own knowledge, and
Right.
again, we only know what we know when we explore. So again, yeah, any feedback for us and to make this more interactive, more information sharing, please let us know. So again,
Yes.
for me, I'm always looking how to improve and make these sessions more better
100%.
for the
100%
community.
agree. Yep.
So too, I'm going to let you go and go pack.
Wait. let's
Oh,
let's
okay.
close the session formally.
Yeah.
Let's thanks to the god for power and word, and then we'll formally close the session.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody who joined with us. Mahesh, Savita, Shivani, Ishan, William. I guess it was William as well. It's Philip as well.
Yep.
And I see 03 YTs. Thank you so much for joining this session, guys, with us. Yep. And see you soon in some other session, some other day.
Thank you, everyone, and we'll see you all soon. Take
Yep.
care.
Thanks. Yep. Bye bye.